So you got your organ going then, you can listen to.
I would say face it the other way.
Yeah. So some organs sound better than others.
Yeah. Yeah. Some are some noise, aren't they? But, yeah, the best ones are those two that come over from Holland, the Dorset Fair.
Yeah. They're nice.
Those are nice ones, those. But, yeah. But no, it's you can do it facing it that way and put it by the dodgems, you know.
That one is not too bad. That organ is not too bad.
Well, only if you're here for 3 minutes. When you've been sat with it nearly all day, you go, not again.
Yeah. I like the Joy Bandmaster. The Joy Bandmaster.
Oh, well.
That's a nice organ. I like. Because some of them, they've got a deeper bass to them and sounds really nice.
Alright.
There's another one from Dorset Fair. Sometimes it comes to the ROI.
Look out, you're being followed by a strange woman.
Yeah. Been that for the last 25 years.
So does that orange thing and that one run?
No. No. Remember, that's the one I got at the Steam Fair, do you remember, didn't I?
Yeah.
Well, that's that one I done it up. I stripped it down, as you can see.
Yeah.
And then I painted it. Well, I left it as a non-runner on purpose. I mean, I could have got it going, but it's better as a non-runner because I ain't got to worry about carrying petrol now, you know.
Yeah.
It's easy to move as well.
Is it?
Fine, I keep the front wheel blown up. That wheel keeps going down, so you've got a slow puncture.
Yeah.
But, that one's a non-runner as well.
Oh.
I deliberately left it as a non-runner. I had it in a box of bits. I put it all together.
Yeah.
I left it as a non-runner because if that was running, that'd be lethal.
Yeah.
You see the blades on there, like I covered them over for safety's sake.
Yeah, that's good.
That thing I gave you yesterday, if you show that, make sure you cover the blades up.
Yeah?
Because it's sharp points up. You have to cut anything sharp, you have to cover it over.
Oh.
That's how I do it up. Either a piece of wood with a bit of perspex or 2 pieces of perspex.
Yeah.
Because see, I can slide that off if I want to.
Oh.
You must cover it up. Because I got a newer version of what I've given you.
Yeah.
And I got that the same. 2 pieces of perspex bolted together. And I got a bit of bungee around it. So I can take it off if I want to, you know. But yeah. So if anybody was to trip or fall, they can't accuse your machine or your tools injuring them because you've covered it. Health and safety, that. It's one of those silly little things you just,
yeah.
you know.
Yeah, with that Anasani mower, what I done, I took the belts off, then the cylinder is not going all the time to make it safe. Yeah, they can be dangerous because they have no brakes on them. So
yeah,
if I'm showing it, so I took the belts off, so the blades won't run anymore.
Well, you take that into Netney Marsh, are you?
Yeah.
Take it around the arena. Get the ride on insurance. Ride around the arena.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Be nice to.
Yeah, you don't see them. You see them static, but you never see them being ridden. You know, cover the blades over or You can just disconnect the blades so they don't turn or whatever.
Yeah.
Or I mean, one of my big mower. I actually my neighbour made a guard to put over the blades, so they're going all the time because the engine, the flywheel, the cutting cylinder is the flywheel. You see. So we made a guard to go over the top. No problem then, see.
Cutting long grass. You from Peterborough by any chance?
No, Wimble.
Car registration number's a Peterborough number. Yeah.
Oh, that one here.
Ah.
That's not your average.
No, no. That's just dopey.
If we do get your full one, you got calico?
Just have a quick look at that whole map. No, I've heard all about that. Yeah.